How to create Dailymotion channel. I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Dailymotion channel. Go to your web browser and search for Dailymotion. Open the Dailymotion website and log in to your account. Also, you can click the Google account to sign in. Choose your Google account to continue and click Confirm. Click on the profile icon and select the Studio option. You will be directed to the Dailymotion Studio. Go to the Channel Details tab and add the channel details here. In the Channel Defaults tab, you can add defaults for new content. Go to the Videos tab and click on the Add Video button to upload videos. Select a video file from your device and click Open to upload. After uploading the video, you have to add the video info. It includes a title, description, category, language, and more details. Click Next and it will start uploading on your channel.